All right, here we are back again at Chestnut Hill Tree Farm and Real Tree Nursery. And we're going to be planting a 3-gallon, 2-year-old chestnut this time. We got our trusty Real Tree Kubota cart for hauling stuff around. Fritz is digging here. Beautiful, rich North Florida dirt, prettiest dirt in North Florida. Nice and brown, good little bit of clay in it. Much better than the sandy soil that occurs in a lot of places. A lot more like the Piedmont of Georgia. And he's going to dig a hole that is bigger than the 3-gallon pot, which you can see is sitting right there. And that'll break up the surrounding soil and give the roots some soft soil to work in. Now normally it's not necessary, so just a tad deeper. What do you think? Just a little bit more? Another couple inches. And there we go. All right, so next we will take the pot off the root. It slides right out. Container grown trees, of course, are much better for transplanting than bare root, much higher live rate. And you can see the root growth already around the edges of the pot. This is perfect root growth for transplanting. And by just working the edge and breaking up the soil a little bit, gets the roots to where that they can really go into the ground. And that's basically all you have to do. And we normally don't add additional mulch or anything to the hole. However, we will put a couple of fertilizer packs down in it, and I'm going to